Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel The Maths Boot. Today I am here with the continuation of model paper, this year 2025 model paper. So in my previous video we had completed till question number 16. Now let us begin with question number 17. So here the question number 17 is, that is for 2 marks question, 8 questions. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So how we will prove? Let us see. I have already solved here. Let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is rational number. To prove it is irrational number, what we have to assume? We have to assume that it is a rational number. That is 3 plus root 5 is equals to a by b. Here in place of a by b, we can also take p by q. Okay, where a by b belongs to z, that is integers, and b should not be equal to 0. Root 5 I'll keep as it is, a by b as it is. This 3, if we take this side, it becomes minus 3. So root 5 is equals to a, b into 3, 3b by complete b. LCM I have done here, b into 3, 3b. Here now we can see a minus 3 by b is a rational number. Okay, this implies root 5 is also rational because they both are equal, right? When this is rational number, this is also rational number, we have solved. But this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. We know actually fact is root 5 is irrational. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. So, 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Let us see the next question. What is composite number? What is composite number? Which is the composite number among 23 and 24? We all know that numbers are divided into composite and primes. Let us see the composite number definition. Okay, here I have written, a number which has more than 2 factors is known as composite number. See, among 23 and 24, 24 is a composite number. So here in this question there is a choice, one more question. Let us see next question. Here the question is, state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. So here the answer is, we have answer here, every composite number, here every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes in a unique way. What the fundamental theorem of arithmetic says? Every composite number can be expressed as product of primes in a unique way. So composite number where only 7 and 3, it should be its prime factor, that is 21. 21 has a 7 and 3 as its only prime factor because 7 3s are 21. Let us see the next question. Question number 19. Find the 21st term of AP 5, 9, 13 using formula. Here I have a solution for this. 5, 9, 13. So first term always is A is equals to 5. D, second term minus first term, 9 minus 5, that is 4. Find 21st term. A 21 is equals to, we have to find. We know the formula, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. A N value what? 21 we have to find is equals to A, in place of A 5 plus N is nothing but 21 minus 1, D value is 4. So 5 as it is plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into 4. So 5 as it is, 24 is 80 and 21st term is 80 plus 5 is nothing but 85. So this is the solution for question number 19. Let us see the question number 20. So the question number 20 is, solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. Here two equation given, x plus y is equals to 4, 2x plus y is equals to 6. Both equation 1 and 2. So I have written this here, x plus y is equals to 4, 2x plus y is equals to 6. We can see both number have positive sign. Here also y we can see, here also y we can see, and both have positive sign. We cannot cancel. So what we have done, we have to change the sign here. Lower equation, whole equation sign I am changing. Now plus and minus, so it get cancelled. Now plus minus minus, 2x minus x is minus x. Bigger number sign, bigger number is minus. Here 4 minus 6, that is 6 minus 4 is 2. and the bigger number is minus, so minus I kept as it is. Now both side minus got cancelled and x is equals to 2. Now we got x value as 2. Put x is equals to 2 in any one equation. I will take equation 1. So x plus y is equals to 4. X value is 2. In place of x, what I'll write? 2 plus y is equals to 4. So y is equals to this 4 as it is. This 2 if I bring, it becomes minus 2. So y is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. We got x value also 2, y value also 2. Next question. If the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 is equals to 0 has two equal real roots, then find the value of, find the equation. Okay, let us solve now. Here the solution is x square plus bx plus 9 is quadratic given equation. So let us see, nothing means 1, a is equals to 1, b as it is b, and c place it has taken 9. Since the roots are equal, since two equal roots, so we know that d equal to 0. Okay, d value is nothing but b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square as it is, because the b value is b only, minus 4 as it is, a value in place of a 1, in place of c 9 is equals to 0. Okay, now b square as it is minus as it is, 9 4s are 36 equal to 0. B square is equals to 36. If I take this side, it becomes minus 36 becomes plus 36. B is equals to plus and minus root 36. Why? Because it is quadratic equation, so two roots plus and minus. B is equals to plus and minus root 36 is 6. Now they have told to frame a quadratic equation, that is a x square, in place of b what we have to write? Minus c. Why minus 6? B should be less than 1 they have told. So less than, all negative numbers are less than 1. So minus 6 plus 9 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Let us see the next question. Find the coordinates of point which divides the line segment joining points A 1 minus 3, B 8 5 in the ratio 3:1. When they have given ratio, we know which formula we have to take. We have to take section formula. So let us solve now. I have yes. So given points A 1 minus 3, B 8 5 and the ratio 3:1, and we know that coordinate of point formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. I have taken first point as x1 y1, second point x2 y2 and ratio m1 m2. Let us place the value now. m1 3, x2 8, plus sign as it is, m2 1 and x1 also 1, comma, upon m1 plus m2, 3 plus 1, m1 3, y2 5 plus as it is, m2 1, y1 minus 3 upon m1 plus m2, 3 plus 1. Next, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 1s are 1 upon 3 plus 1 is 4, comma as it is, 5 3s are 15 plus minus minus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay. Next, 24 plus 1 25 by 4, comma 15 minus 3 is 12 by 4 as it is. 25 by 4 we cannot divide, so 25 by 4 as it is. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3. So the correct answer is 25 by 4, comma 3. So this complete question number 21. So in my next video I'll solve from question number 22. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.